Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to sync Google Sheets and Slack automatically. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to sync Google Sheets and Slack automatically, then you can simply go and tap Open Zypher. Once you tap Open Zypher, you can simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you can simply tap on Create Zap. Once you have started from scratch and created a Zap, you can simply search and tap on the trigger event. In the trigger event, you can simply tap on Google Sheets. After you have added Google Sheet as the trigger event, you can also simply tap on the action event that can be your Slack. So once you have selected Google Sheet as a trigger event and Slack as an action, you can simply sync your Google Flow, Google Sheet, and Slack automatically into it by integrating it together. By creating Zap, you can be allowed to simply have your workflows together and connect your accounts simply. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.